In this, we will tell you about AI-based whiteboard software. This is the screen for AI-based whiteboard software. Here, almost 197 languages has been given. And before going with the AI, here in this board, 7 combo pen has been given. I will introduce with each pen their unique features. This pen is with white. This is for colored pen. This pen is dotted. This pen is magic. You can draw any images. So similar to these images, content will appear in right side of this board, and you can choose the content according to this image size, and you can do a presentations on this. Also one more, your ABC pen has been given. Suppose if I write it, hi, how are you? If I select it, it will convert into good formula, like with good font it will convert. Hi, how are you? More than here 197 list languages has been given. I can change the language setting also. I will select it for Hindi mode. And if I write here, hi, how are you? And if I select it, this will convert into Hindi languages. Again, I will set it for English mode here. Okay. There are almost 5,000 inbuilt learning videos, 1,000 inbuilt simulation for physics, chemistry, and maths is there. This can integrate with Google and YouTube also. AI with AI based image recognition. It can convert any complex formula and equation effortlessly. I will go with this mathematical formula now. For 12 years, 12 standard students, mathematics, for example, integration 0 to 1 x square plus y square. So it will convert into formula. So it has converted into formula. And if I ask AI with voice explanation with male and female voice, this will also you will get it.
int underscore 0, 1, x, 2, y, 2 is equal to dollar.
Okay, and I can convert into male explanation also.
Dollar backslash int underscore 0, 1, x, 2, y, 2 is equal to dollar.
Moreover, I can ask AI also. You will get explanation about this formula. I can give explanation about this mathematical formula. You can generate question and paper also, and this is a curriculum based AI content. So for this formula, I can connect it to Google also for more explanations. So you will get similar explanation for this mathematical formula. I can annotate it.
As you can probably tell by now, the bulk of this series is on understanding matrix and vector operations through that more visual lens of linear transformations. This video is no exception, describing the concepts of inverse matrices, column space, rank, and null space through that lens. A forewarning though, I'm not going to talk about the methods for actually computing these things, and some would argue that that's pretty important.
For this integration 0 to 1 x square plus y square, I will ask AI about this, and you will get related video with this formula. Is a curriculum based AI content.